Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today's video, we have a highly requested video. A lot of you guys are getting cars or getting gifted cars or getting your license or anything like that. And you guys have been commenting about wanting car accessories or just ways to really personalize your car and make it your own. So because of that, I have compiled 50 car accessory crochet ideas for you. Within this YouTube video, we have 4 categories. Okay, we have charms, steering wheel / seat covers, coasters, and then a miscellaneous category. So all of these categories are going to be chaptered out on the bottom. So if you just want to skip to a certain category, you don't want to watch the whole video, that's totally fine with me. Just click on whatever category you're wanting. Before we get into it, I just want to remind you guys that everything I say will be listed in the description below in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you on the screen, okay? So let's get into the first category, which is charms. Car charms, dangly things, the things that hang on your mirror, okay? So with this category, there are some patterns that are labeled as car charms, and then there are some patterns that are really just like mini items that can be made into car charms. And by making these into car charms, literally you just have to chain a long string, okay? You don't even have to chain it. You could just attach a string of yarn to hang it on your mirror, okay? So some of these are not marketed as charms, but they can be made to charms by just adding yarn as a string or a chain, okay? With that being said, let's get into it. So first we have this really cute strawberry and like daisy looking car charm. And then we also have this basket full of flowers, which I thought was really cute. And similar to the strawberry and the daisy one, we have this frog and mushroom one, which I thought was really cute. And then I found this sour gummy worm pattern, which is so cute, especially if you make it with velvet yarn. Velvet yarn gives off this like candy, sour candy kind of texture. And I thought this was cute because you can put these on like your dashboard, or you can add a string and you could dangle it from your mirror and anything like that, really. Or you could even clip them on your vents. Like, that would be so cute. And then this creator made a bag charm video, which I noticed that these can all be adapted into a car charm. Even this like little Polaroid photo holder can also be really cute hanging as a car charm because you can put photos in it, okay? And then there are also other cute bag charms in this video that you can just use as a car charm, okay? You gotta be creative, you gotta use your mind because there's not too many car charm patterns out there, so we're really going to be bending these a bit. So there's another one, there's this other basket, kind of like a plant with green leaves, okay? And then there's this other strawberry charm, which kind of has a different feel to it. The leaves are different. There isn't like the flowers on the other side. It's mostly just strawberries, if that's more your thing. You can even make the lily of the valley car charm, which I love the car charms that have the leaves that you can like slide up and down to make the string longer or shorter. And then I thought this one was really cute, but it's a duck swinging on a swing, okay? Completely crocheted, super adorable. And this one's a video tutorial because I know some of y'all only use video tutorials, so I tried to do as many video tutorials as possible. And then just in time for Halloween coming up, we've got these bat car charms, okay? I try to hit most of the holidays within this video as well if you're wanting to switch your car charms out per season. And then I thought this guinea pig pattern was so cute because there's like really tiny guinea pigs, or there's big guinea pigs. They thought they were cute, okay? And then there's this ghost and pumpkin car charm pattern. And then there's this sunflower car charm and these daisy car charms, okay? And then there's these little teddy bears, which I thought were super cute, and you can really pick any color you want. And then if you're looking for more seasonal, I have these Christmas circle ones. We've got like a reindeer, a snowman, a gingerbread, you know, like a bunch of little options. And then you could even make the Grinch, okay, for Christmas. I thought was really cute. And then if you're one of my forest girlies or cottagecore girlies, I got you a mushroom pack. Okay, you can make a bunch of different kind of mushroom charms, switch them out however you want. And then I also found this chicken, which I thought was really funny and creative. And then there's a dinosaur pattern because I've been currently reading a book and the main character is obsessed with dinosaurs, so it kind of stuck out to me, I guess, and I added it. So there's also dinosaurs if that's something you want to do, if you're into dinosaurs. And then we've got ducks, which are super cute. We even have penguins, and we even have a seal. Also, a Christmas ornament for my Christmas girlies out there who want to change with the seasons. Again, we've got this Christmas ornament, oh my goodness, that can be easily adapted into a car charm. And then there's these mini cat loafs, which are so cute, and this taco. Okay, you can also make this whale, which I thought was really cute. It's a whale or a whale shark, I don't know, but it's very, very cute. And then within like the fish area, you can also do these mosaic goldfish. I just thought they were really pretty, and like out of all of these, I'll probably make the mosaic goldfish as a car charm. And then there's this no-sew cupcake for all of those of you who hate sewing in your projects. Here's a no-sew pattern, which also, I've seen all your requests for a no-sew 50 crochet ideas video, and that one is in the works. So stay patient, okay, stay tuned, subscribe so you don't miss it, but that one is definitely coming. And then there's this other basket full of flowers as a charm, and this little boba for all of my boba drinking girls. Okay, also these car charms make a really good gift. They're quick to make, they're easy to make, they don't take a lot of supplies. Birthday gifts, you know, Christmas gifts, you can personalize them to whatever the person's like special interest is. They're super good gifts. Okay, that's all we have for charms, so let's move into the steering wheel / seat covers category. Okay, so for this category, we have this really cute, colorful flower seatbelt cover, and then we also have this really cute granny stripe stitch steering wheel cover. Now, remember with steering wheel covers, like they need to be very securely fastened and very tight on your steering wheel. I'm not giving you any advice on how to drive safe or have good safety precautions with crocheting, but I know that there are ways to use these that are safer than other people. How do I word this? What I mean is, don't put a super loose crochet steering wheel cover on your steering wheel to where if you grab your steering wheel, you can't grab it. Okay, obviously, don't be dumb. Okay, and then there's this more basic looking seatbelt cover if you just kind of want like a basic design, but you add some color to your car. And then there's this really intricate, elaborate seat cover set. Okay, and then there's a car seat cushion if you need a little more cushion for your tushin. Okay, and then there's this sunflower or flowery kind of steering wheel cover, and then there's these tiny granny square seatbelt covers too. And that's all for that category. So let's move into the coaster category. Now, if you're anything like me, you have 2 coasters and that is it in your car. So if you want to kind of spice up your car a little bit with tiny little details that aren't really super visible, because I know that there's a huge trend right now where people are saying with girly things and girly accessories and stuff like that on your car, you're making your car a huge target for trafficking or violence and things like that. Personally, I don't let that stop me from accessorizing my car, because I feel like as women, we live in fear every day, all day. Why should that stop me from living the life I want to live? Okay, so if I want to add accessories to my car, if I want to crochet a cute little coaster, okay, if I want to crochet a cute little car charm, then I'm gonna do it. So with that being said, if you're looking for something that's a little more discreet, you want to have something in your car, but you don't really want someone to be able to look in your car and be like, oh yeah, a woman drives this car, then I would suggest using these coaster patterns, because these coasters are kind of hidden in the coaster and only really you and whoever's using the coaster will see it, not really passerbys like looking in. So you can use this watermelon coaster, which is really cute, or even this bear coaster with like little bear ears, or there's this paw coaster, or this donut coaster, which can also be a donut / bear coaster. But I just thought these were cute. Okay, and they're circular, so they kind of fit within your little car cup holders. And of course there's like hundreds of other coaster patterns out there, but these ones were really cute. And that's all I have for coasters, so let's slide into the miscellaneous category, so everything that didn't fit in the other categories that I had. A big trend I'm seeing right now is people putting like tiny pillows in their backseat for their backseat passengers, or even if they don't have backseat passengers, they just like to decorate the backseat like a couch, I guess. So I added this candy heart pillow pattern in if you want to add a pillow to your back seat. I thought that'd be cute. And then this other stuff is kind of functional. You always want tissues in your car, so I got this cute little whale tissue cover for you. And then if you need like a car wastebasket but you want it to be cute, you can crochet this car wastebasket. And say you have a visor above your little steering wheel, but it doesn't have a spot for you to put your sunglasses. Like my car doesn't have a spot, so I'm actually going to be crocheting this after this video is over. But you can make a car visor sunglass pouch for your sunglasses, or you can get this trunk cargo net pattern, and you can make a pattern so that your groceries don't fall out the back of your car every time you open up the back. Okay, my mom has an issue with this, and she bought something like this. So if you don't want to buy one and you want to crochet one, feel free to do so. There's your pattern. And then if you want your car to smell yummy, you can make one of these vent clip flowers and put some essential oils on it. And since it's fabric, it'll hold the oil, and since it's in front of your vent, it'll blow the oil around your car, and it'll just smell fresh and flowery and like whatever essential oil you want it to smell like. And that is all I have for you guys when it comes to car accessories, or really just car accessories. Okay, that is all I got for you. Friendly reminder, everything I said is listed in the description box in the order that I said it, linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial so that you can make anything that I showed you on the screen today. And if you're looking for the exact photos that I used, posted by the exact person who posted the photo, please refer to the Pinterest board in my description box. Okay, everything is on that Pinterest board in the same categories that it is here. Okay, if you are on Instagram and you want to follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. The Amazing Page is my Instagram. I know I have 2 accounts. When you search up Amazing Page, another account's popping up, but this is my account. Okay, The Amazing Page. That's my account, so go follow me over there. If there's a video that I haven't done yet that you want to see when it comes to crochet ideas, please comment it down below and I will add it to the never-ending list of crochet idea videos that I am tirelessly working through. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.